Hello, children. Now I'm going to tell you a story about a baby goat whose name was Gattu. Once upon a time, there was a family of goats. There was a daddy goat, a mummy goat, and a baby goat. Baby goat's name was Gattu. One day, daddy goat, mummy goat, and baby goat went for a walk. While roaming here and there, the baby goat went far away from his parents and he got lost. Gattu began to search for his parents everywhere, but he could not find them. While roaming, he went to Piggy's house and asked the piggy, "Piggy, Piggy, have you seen my mummy and daddy?" Piggy said, "Oink, oink, 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 oink. Gattu, we have not seen your mummy and daddy." Gattu thought, now I have to go somewhere else to find them. Then Gattu went to Hen's house. Seeing Gattu, Hen said, "Cuckoo-cuckoo, cuckoo-cuckoo, cuckoo-cuckoo," and asked Gattu, "Gattu, what happened?" Gattu said, "Hen, Hen, have you seen my mummy and daddy? I got lost." Hen said, "No, Gattu, we have not seen your mummy and daddy. They have not come here." So Gattu went along, and Gattu continued to search for his mummy and daddy. Then he met the horsey. The horsey asked him, "Nay, nay, nay. What happened, Gattu? Why are you roaming around all alone?" Gattu replied, "Horsey, horsey, I've got lost. I can't find my mummy and daddy. I'm searching everywhere for them. Have you seen them?" Horsey said, "No, Gattu, I have not seen your mummy and daddy. I am so sorry." So now Gattu, roaming here and there, went to Cow's house. And Gattu asked the cow, "Cow, cow, have you seen my mummy or daddy? I've got lost." The cow said, "Moo, moo, moo. No, Gattu, I have not seen your mummy and daddy. I have not seen them." So Gattu was very sad. He started crying. Where do I go and find my mummy and daddy? You know, children, what happened after this? All of a sudden, piggies came, hen came, cow came, the horsey also came and told Gattu, "Come, come, Gattu, we all will help you to find your mummy and daddy." Then, from far away, they heard the sound, "Bah, bah, 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 Gattu, Gattu, Gattu." Gattu said, "There, there, there. My mummy and daddy are calling out for me." Then they all said, "Okay, let's go to them." They ran to Gattu's parents, and daddy asked, "Gattu, Gattu, what happened?" And mummy said, "Where were you, Gattu?" Gattu said, "Daddy, mummy, I got lost. Then I could not find all of you." They said, "Okay, okay. Now be with us always. Don't wander off alone." All thanked the horsey, the piggies, the hens, and the cow. And mummy and daddy and Gattu all were very happy. They began to sing, "Ba, ba, 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 ba." Children, did you like the story? The story of Gattu, how he got lost? Now say bye-bye to all of them. Say bye-bye to Mummy Goat. Say bye-bye to Daddy Goat. Say bye-bye to Baby Goat. Children, let's say bye-bye to the horsey also. Bye-bye horsey. Say bye-bye to the piggies. Bye-bye piggies. Say bye-bye to the cow. Bye-bye cow. Now say bye-bye to the hen. Bye-bye hen. Say bye-bye to all of them. Now I'm saying bye-bye to you all. Enjoy the story.